But now one thing we hot, you know. When you find say one man, I get your woman pussy. And if you don't know, one thing turn up in your back like a crocodile lizard, so you beg.
One thing I can tell about woman, you know. Woman will not cheat, but them know who is next. They know who is next.
They do. They really do.
You're more likely to get someone else's kid than your own if you're banging up a Jamaican girl.
So I have some female where use this little line. Oh, I'm depressed, I feel ugly, I'm here to do, this, that, what I do.
A white girl, I'm like, me not really run with the black girl, you know what I mean? That me I did.
You're more likely to get someone else's kid than your own if you're banging.
Is that the man depend? So you think that me are stressed too? Like, yeah man, all up your stress, sir.
You're
say, and I them a girl and man a buy Benz.
Me never get no money. Me never get no money. Me never get no money.
No money.
Rockstone.
What
is this? Make your $1,000. Make your $5,000.
Oh, yeah, what you have?
Right, man.
Oh, me understand.
The woman them in the falls here and long a half and ground. And the eyelash will look like a when the flowers are your fence want trim.
Greetings, people. Big up on yourself. Welcome again. You see, woman them, we are talking about man for all of them stress. Yeah, because if you're out there, you know, and people are talking about it, you know. You see me? I'm going to play some of my clip them where one of them are talking about it. Yeah? And I'm going to elaborate after I play them clip. You see me? Because I have a lot to say about this, you know. You see me? I say one and one, I have a lot to say about it. So just tune in and watch them clip. I'm going to play and then I'm going to elaborate on it. You see me?
One thing I can tell about woman, you know. Woman will not cheat, but them know who is next. They know who is next.
They do. They really do.
And
they always have that one person who I text them.
Yes, that one person who I text them. And enough time that one person, you as the boyfriend, asks about him. And she definitely, oh, shut up. Why don't I shut up? Fuck. Shut up. Nah, you know, my friend though. I'm cool. I can link you every now and then if I want something, but, and you know, cool guy. You might know him, I'm showing you. You really? I'm calling him right now? And you're like, no, I'm a good man. If you say your friend. Any man, your woman tell you don't worry about it, try to worry about him, yeah? You try to worry about him. Yeah, worry about him.
Not all the time.
You're more likely to get someone else's kid than your own if you're banging up a Jamaican girl. Nigerian women rank second highest on paternity fraud in the whole world. And guess who ranks number one? Jamaican women. Jamaican women have a paternity fraud cuckoldry rate of 62%.
So I have some female where use this little line. Oh, I'm depressed, I feel ugly. I'm here to do this, that, what I do. So is that the man depend? So you think that me are stressed too? Like, yeah man, all up your stress, sir.
Right here is mine. Let me make that clear. I'm going to tell you to back up. Back way. Take away yourself from right there, sir. Stay over there, sir. Do what you want to do over there, sir. I have no problem.
No.
All up your stress.
What do you mean all up your stress?
All up your stress.
And that's the problem when the man might kill off themselves. The man say him stressed too. You stress out for ear, I'm stressed out because my rent don't pay. But all you brighty?
Him have all up him stress.
Catch up your ear now, one.
Him have all up him stress. Don't complain to the female. Don't complain to the female.
Man, them, I'm glad them talk the truth now.
No, but truth, don't
when
complain
me tell
to the
you,
female.
say, don't complain to no man, complain to your mother, the only woman who really care about your mental.
Right, that she girl, yeah. She for nurture, yeah.
A white girl, I'm like, me not really run with the black girl, you know what I mean? That me I did.
Alright then. Woman not depend on that. Them obvious bitch. And
It don't
girl,
look good, it don't look good.
so you tell me say your man can't come to you and vent to you and tell you say you're in stress?
Big up the women who love when their men are vulnerable and transparent with them. We love and adore you. Now, for the ones who claim that we go for this kind of women,
Yeah, man, all up your stress, sir.
stop it. You're a liar. Most men want good women. What you should say is the small subset of men that you like don't like you because they go for that kind of women. You know, the small subset of men that are rich and can throw money upon you at any given point in time, and they mostly fit the bad man, scammer, and artist aesthetic.
But you know, see, your voice no match your face.
Eh,
No.
a true man.
You no match your face at all.
It sound like I found old customer now.
When you, me never did expect that when me see video in the studio.
Me cute down.
Yeah. You can go on.
Yeah, me can't go on, me cute.
You're cute. Me know me not tell man so they cute you know.
A woman to tell man that.
Man not cute.
Because regular 9-to-5 men don't make enough money and them boring, so a gunman in your hole, you like that. Remember good now? Stop speaking for men if you don't know what you're talking about. And if you're going to speak for men, please speak the truth. You don't want regular men because they cannot facilitate the lifestyle you want and envy other women for that you see on Instagram. Have you seen the Pop the Balloon challenges lately?
Right here. No, wait until him reach right here, sir. Please. Please. Right to Summer G. Alright, introduce yourself.
It's front look flat. And a jacket and a thin material, I'm supposed to something I print out. Nothing I print out.
Okay, you're not turn me on. If you turn me on, that's something else.
Well, uncle. Other woman there and I see no attorney and I don't know.
A white girl, them like, me not really run with the black girl, them. You know what I mean? I that me I did.
Him coulda do look better for company show and come out again me and say I not really judge him still. I find fit. I not judge the dog still. But Uncle Wilbert coulda do better still all awkward. I not judge a fit nor no. Big yeah for Wilbert.
Your name Uncle Wilbert?
Superb.
Women literally reject men because they have regular jobs or because they don't dress nice enough. Your talking point is old and tired now. Nobody no believe you. Most of you don't even want a good man because you don't even know what a good man is. Which self-respecting man is going to pick up a selfish woman that cares zero for him? That makes sense? Is that how stupid you think we are?
A white girl, them like, me not really run with the black girl, them. You know what I mean? I that me I did.
Now you do have men that mess around with women like that. And that's what's tricking you. Stop confuse knockings with love. They will take them to the bedroom, but not take them to meet their parents. So for the bros, the next time you hear a cat talk about we don't want a good woman, let them know say a lie them a tell. And you know what too? You see the girl them we talk about we don't want a good woman, there is a man out there who want them right now and them no want him. So who them a talk to? You can't trick we. We never born big. Me jeez.
Me never get no money. Oh, me never get no money.
Me sell bush.
Me say me never get no money. Me never get no money. Me never get no money.
No woman, me not no money.
Rockstone.
What
What is this?
You don't say no man, no woman, me not no money. You don't tell me that.
Me get 5 grand.
Oh, you get what you have.
Right, man.
Oh, me understand. You say no man, no woman, me not no money.
The woman them in the falls here will long a half and grow. And the eyelash will look like a when the flowers of your fence want trim. And you can't see what they go on out of your gate. And the fake body in the tights. And the fake pokey in the front of the trousers. Uno me de talk. At what point did any man look for anyone of Uno where in the eyelash where you can hardly see where they go on in front of you? At what point a man did look for you and tell you say you look good? Or tell you say they like you? So you must continue weary. Please ladies tell me, because I don't know if there's a man on the face of this earth here will like this false eyelash, this false wig, where long a haul pan ground, the fake body, the fake everything. Me not think no man like you. I have never spoken to a man in all of my 54 years on earth, and they have said honestly that yes, they like it. So ladies, the question is, what make you not do it? Because if I know for the man, they will not do it for. Me don't like to know of who, because me can't imagine it for yourself. Because the amount of work where it take to put on all of this fakeness before you left out of the house, me not imagine yourself you do it for. Because if I never feel woman, man will not go at gym. Man would probably not even shave. Man would probably wear the same jeans through a whole week. But just because we are try to impress woman, we work out, we try look good, we wear nice cologne, we shave up, we look good. So yes, man are do it for woman. And we know say woman like it because they have said this. Who tell you say look good and who know that do it for?
Me say Kizzy a cook. So Kizzy show a blend up season in a saltfish, cause she say she no cook with the oil. Me get a comment section one nigga say, and I dem a get a man a buy Benz.
Woman born any man. You could have drive the biggest a trailer. You get born. You could have be policeman. You get born. You could have be doctor. You get born. You could have be porter or pandit. You get born. You could have in a public service company. Man did you burn your foot. And every man knows you're true there. I don't like. But now one thing we had, you know. When you find say one man, I get your woman. And if you don't know, one thing turn up in your back like a crocodile lizard, so you beg.
Yes, I. You see female them in Jamaica now, most of them, not all of them still. Every woman a follow, you know. Every woman a do the same thing. Everywhere you go, you see most women a follow everything what them see on the media right now. Who not put tattoo upon them leg, above them nose, or put above them tongue, or above them lip. You see me? Yeah man, all them things they are going. Notice all them lip them a swell up on them things there. A woman do all them things there, you know. Yeah? Man last them way, but when you ready to deal with the man them yet, we could deal with the female them first, because lady before gentlemen. Is it? The female them now, nowadays them gone, them lost them mentality, them lost them morality, them lost them dignity. Them expose themselves for media and expect man to love them and respect them. Is it? And this female that we are talking in a video, I talk about man full up with stress.
I have some people when use this little line, oh, I'm depressed, come feel ugly, I'm here and do this and that I do. So is that the man depend? So yeah, things that me are stressed out, like, yeah man, hold up your stress, sir.
No.
Hold up your stress, hold up.
If I go through problems, we call him mother and them things. That's why if you love your mother and respect your mother, you know. You see all the mother them out there, and if you share the knowledge to the son them, make them gain certain knowledge about female. Because woman out there take the man them on the son them for some big idiot, some big waste man, and I laugh off of them. You see me? Man don't know this, you know. Woman are emotional creatures. We as man, we emotional too, but not as greatly as all the female emotional. You see, woman think with them emotion, man not think with emotion, man think more logical. You see me, I say, anytime you fall a victim are emotional unbalance, you know, and going at the female where she have the angle at the emotional side, you know, you'll get mentally damaged, you know, brother. You have to have emotional balance and then you deal with the female them, because the emotional side of them world and them have the angle. Don't play with them. You see me? But any man we see around them woman we have bore up themselves and expose themselves and anything we see woman a do, where make them a lose them dignity and them pride and them thing. Any man we say run down woman like that, them not used to woman. Them not used to woman. Them just make the come on in the one, so them can use the vanity and material thing and attract the female them. But really, the woman don't want them. Woman don't really want them, you know. But through them to say them man are not used to woman, the woman them use them and take them thing and make them woman live off of them man. You see me? And when man wake up and realize that them little thing I wanna run on a fake and a real after a time, you have to go find something else to entertain because them things are gonna fade away after a time and not gonna last long, you know? It's just for the moment, you know. It's just for the moment. You see me I say? And anyhow, the female them not get the proper knowledge from them parents. Them will go out there in the world and them will go seek a lot of things. Yeah, them will go seek when I seek them. And for them, if them not gain the wisdom and knowledge over time, by them reaching their age, them last them way, them will live like the animal, the dog them. Them will live like the dog them. You see me I say? No joke. If she don't find her mindset and use life experience and the knowledge she gain over time, balance herself, she gonna lose herself, she gonna live like a dog. You see me I say? No joke. So woman, the female in Jamaica, and if you know this too, remember Jamaica rank number 1 the paternity fraud. You start one like one highly and great and one angel and princess and queen to say about a reality. When you not live no pure life again, when you not live no righteous life. You see me? No joke. So my opinion and my thought that you know. You see me I say ones and ones? So I want to make me know what your thoughts in the comment section. Woman no better than man and man no better than woman. Yeah? Woman lacks certain strength and man lacks certain strength. So we need each other to bring the balance there. Yeah? And after a time, you know, if them woman find them mentality, you know, Jamaica, they might go lonely after a time, you know. Man, them not go on Jamaican woman after a time, you know. Overseas one we go start look after a time if them want to find them meds. Alright, just give them a couple years to them now and see if them not change them ways what happen to them. You see me? I will not jog it too much, you know. You know what I mean? We should go left it right there so. You see? Like and subscribe if you're new and share the video and tell a friend to tell a friend. You see me? Because big up on yourself, we give thanks. Give one love and gratitude.